Now imagine you could create content every single day without showing your face, without setting up a camera, and still build a personal brand that people recognize instantly. This is a cartoon version of you, and today I'll show you exactly how to create one that talks, sounds like you, and does your voiceover for you. For a long time, a lot of creators stay stuck. Not because they don't have ideas, but because they don't feel confident showing their face on camera. Some people want privacy. Some want consistency. Some just want an easier way to create content without burnout. That's where cartoon characters change everything. In this video, I'll show you how to create your own cartoon character. Make it talk using AI voiceover and use it to build faceless content that still feels personal and original. Let's get into it. Step 1. Get your image ready. Start with a clear full body photo or screenshot of yourself. Good lighting, simple background, nothing too complicated. This image is what the AI will use to turn you into a cartoon version. Step 2. Turn yourself into a cartoon. Sora AI. Next, head over to Sora AI. The link will be in the description. Upload your image. Then, ask Sora to generate a cartoon version of you. You can either describe it yourself or simply copy and paste this prompt. Wait a few moments and boom, your cartoon version is ready. Step 3. Make your cartoon talk. Now, let's bring your character to life. Open CapCut. Create a new project. Upload your cartoon image. Scroll and select AI Dialogue scene. Inside the text box, type what you want your character to say. Choose a voice that fits your brand. Click Generate, and just like that, your cartoon character is now speaking for you.
Hey, I am Michael's cartoon version and he has no idea. If you see him, tell him I'm over here.
At this point, you can create Reels, TikToks, and YouTube Shorts. Run faceless educational content. Build a personal brand without ever showing your face. Stay consistent, even when life gets busy. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and save this video. You'll want to come back to it. Comment cartoon if you want more AI content tips like this. And if you try it out, I'd love to see your character come to life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.